Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to filter our content in easyDITA for different audiences. Content filtering, also called conditionalization, lets you tag different chunks of content for specific audiences. And this means that instead of creating multiple content sets for different audiences, you can create one larger content set and filter accordingly. This reduces duplicate content and minimizes the number of content sets floating around in your content library. Now, as always, if you want to learn more about creating, managing, or publishing content in easyDITA, visit easyDITA.com/video-tutorials. Now let's get started. We'll start from the dashboard view. To view our content library, we click Author. Now navigate to the folder with your content. Once you've found your content, open up the applicable map or topic. I've already created this map with a couple of topics inside. This Welcome topic contains content that's appropriate for everyone, so we'll leave it alone. This Opening the App topic is where we will tag our content to be filtered. Within this topic, I wrote 3 sections. This first section is for Android devices. The second is for Apple devices. And the third is a note for customer support. If I were to publish this document as is, the result would be all the content going to every reader. Now, to avoid this, we want to tag the content for the appropriate audience. This first section, let's tag it for Android users. To do that, we place our cursor in the content that we want tagged. Then select Attributes from the right-hand sidebar. At the top of the attributes, you'll notice this element with a drop-down. This drop-down shows what portion of content you are actually tagging. Right now, it's set for the paragraph, but we actually want the entire section. The section is everything that's contained within this gray box. If we wanted to tag the entire topic, we would select Concept. Now that we've selected our section as the portion of content that we want to tag, it's time to actually tag it. You can tag content based on whatever you want, including audience, product, props, or platform. Since we're filtering for Apple or Android, let's use the platform tag. Type Android into the field, then press Enter or Return. Now you'll see this tag appear, hovering next to the section. When you place your cursor over the tag, it will highlight the content. Now let's do the same for the Apple user content. Place your cursor, select the section element, find Platform, and enter Apple into the field. Press Enter, and there we go. The tag has been applied. Now that we've tagged our content based on the platform, we still have some internal content that we don't want the customers to read. To filter this, follow the same steps as before. Place your cursor in the content, select the section element, but now we're going to use the audience attribute. Type internal and press Enter. Now our content is all tagged and ready to publish. Well, almost. You see, we've tagged the content, but we haven't yet told the system how to handle those tags. For that, we need to create a filter, also called a Dataval, or a conditional processing profile. This Dataval is a file that tells the publishing engine what to do with different tags. To create a Dataval, click Create New, and then on the right side, select Dataval. Name your file. We're going to call this a customer-facing Android, because we want it to publish only the content that's designed for customers on the Android platform. Now create and edit. Within the property element, under Attribute, type in Audience. Now we're going to type in the audience type that we want to apply the rule to. We want to ensure that our customer does not see the content that's intended for customer support. So in the value, we're going to type internal and select exclude as the action. Now next we want to make sure that our Android user does not see the content for the Apple user. So we're going to add a new property. Under Attribute, we type Platform. Under Value, we type Apple. And under Action, we select Exclude. Now that we've created our filter, we will return to our data map, which contains the topic with the tagged content. Open the file and then select Publish from the top right corner. Select your publishing scenario. We're going to use the Jorsic branded PDF. To add our Dataval, we're going to go to the ARGS filter and click Add File. This opens a file picker view where we can select our customer-facing Android filter file. Now that we've selected our filter, we select Publish. And there we go. After just 8 seconds, our PDF is ready. You can download the file using this icon, or click to preview the file. Under the key assets, we should see our PDF. And there we go. Our content has been filtered and published. You'll notice at the top that the welcome topic was also included, since our rule only excluded the internal content and the Apple user content. If you like this video and you want to see more, you can visit easyDITA.com/video tutorials.